Hey, this is Rob, and today I want to tell you about a wonderful new product. Um, I use Checklist every day in my business, and this product here is just a perfect fit. And what it's called is it's called I Am Checklist, and this is volume 3. And this one in particular is on social media, okay? And it covers multiple facets of social media. The interesting thing about this is this is produced by Kevin Fahey. And Kevin Fahey is a seven-figure marketer. And another marketer got together with him, Mark Laxton, and helped him put these together. These are the same behind-the-scenes checklists that Kevin uses to run his business. So what I want to do is I want to give you a quick overview of them and tell you what I think. Now, I Am Checklist covers multiple different facets of social media. And you're going to see here you got everything from Facebook to Google Plus to YouTube to Twitter to Pinterest to Reddit, Instagram, and the list just goes on. The nice thing about these is, and I'm going to take you into a couple screenshots here in a minute, is that provided in different formats. So they're provided in PDF. They're also provided as Trello checklist. They are provided as spreadsheets, Google Sheets. You're also going to get interactive mind maps. And so like in the Google Sheets version, you can go in and edit them yourselves. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you in, I'm going to start showing you some of this. Now this is the different facets that they cover right here. Now realize I can't take you completely into the product because I can't show you too much. So here's what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take you over to, now this is some of the PDF printable checklist. And then this is what they're going to look like. You're going to have checklists that look like this. Okay, and they're easy to check off with actionable items for you to follow, which makes it really nice. Now, in the Trello, this is what you're going to be looking at when you come into the Trello checklist. Of course, there is 30 checklists that go with this set. Let's see, where can we find that for you? So, let's see. I'm missing it on the page, but I know there's 30 checklists. So what they do is, when you go inside of, I'm going to go right to the Trello so we can take a look at that. Inside the Trello, you're going to be looking at this right here. So it'll take you into Trello boards. Now, if you don't have a Trello account is free. So it makes it real easy for you to get these added in. So don't worry about the additional expense for Trello. Of course, you do have the PDF versions, and you can always work with those. So again, this is Trello. These are Trello boards. I use Checklist every day in my business, which is why I love this product so much. This will show you a slice of what you're getting for the mind map. You're going to have mind maps to dig into these to make it real easy. So if you're a visual person, you'll go into mind maps. If you're to get started, if you're a checklist person, you can go into Trello, you can go into the PDFs, you can go into Google Sheets. You can edit them and change them to suit your needs. So what I want to do is now I really like this product, and that's why I'm telling you about it. Now I have put together a awesome bonus package to go with this. And if you're not watching this video on my site, if you're watching on YouTube or somewhere else, head on over to www.robertborsick.com, and you'll be able to go into my blog here and read about it. You'll be able to get the quick review. You'll be able to check out my cool bonuses. Now, I've only got slots for 50 people in the bonus. So, and when they're gone, they're gone. So I really hope you like this, and let me know what you think. Take care.